Hello friend, welcome to my channel Exam Store. Friend, CBSE to evaluate answer sheet of class 10th and 12th from tomorrow as MHA give note. तो MHA Ministry of Home Affairs है. The answer sheet will be moved from 3000 designated school in the residence of qualified evaluators who will mark them from home, and the process is expected to be completed in 50 days. 50 दिन का ये कार्यक्रम है जो पूर्ण हो सकता है. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE said the role of the process of evaluation of answer sheet from Sunday as the Ministry of Home Affairs MHA हो गया has given his notes the HRD Minister proposal in the regard. तो HRD Minister आपके रमेश निशंक पोखरियाल दिए. Answer sheet will be moved from 3000 designated school to the residence of qualified evaluators who will mark them from home, and the process is expected to be completed in 50 days. With nearly 18 lakh students awaiting their class 10th result and another 12 lakh awaiting their class 12th result, the CBSE had been pushing for permission to carry out the evaluation process, which had been stuck because of the COVID-19 lockdown. HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank said permission had been granted for evaluation in 3,000 schools. He expressed hope that 1.5 crore answer sheet in 173 subjects would be evaluated soon. From these 3,000 schools, these copies will go to evaluators and evaluation will begin tomorrow. Teachers will evaluate from home and we will be able to complete the process in 50 days. He said the minister said meanwhile the test for 29 other subjects of class 10th and 12th will be held. According to government official, permission has been granted for all areas except containment zone. The CBSE will now form a detailed plan according to which evaluation will be held to conduct while keeping social distancing. Normally, evaluators were called to a center, but the time keeping in mind the situation, the work is being done in work from home mode. On Friday, the HRD Minister had cleared the way of holding the pending CBSE class 10th and 12th board exam. These will be held from 1st July to 15 July. HRD Minister announced. तो जितने भी आप लोग के एग्ज़ाम पेंडिंग बचे हों वो 1 जुलाई से 15 जुलाई के बीच में होंगे. HRD मिनिस्टर ने अनाउंस कर दिया था, रमेश पोखरियाल निशंक. While the exam for 12 subjects for class 12th will be held across the country, the exam for class 10th will be held only in Northeast Delhi, where some of the tests could not be held earlier because of communal violence in the area. Overall, CBSE will conduct 29 exams. However, given the situation, it is now easy task, and even HRD and CBSE official admit the decision will be reviewed in case of situation is not conducted. Randeep Guleria, the director of All India Institute of Medical Science (AIIMS), had recently said that COVID-19 pandemic in the country may not have peaked yet. According to modeling data and the way our cases in increasing, it is likely that peak can come in June and July. But there are many variables, and with time only we will know how much they are effective and the effect of extending the lockdown, said Guleria had said. A government official said while the hope was the exam will be conducted, the capacity and preparedness will be reviewed in light of the circumstances. A lot of work need to be done regarding norm as to how to student will come to exam center, the seating arrangement, etc. CBSE will bring out certain direction from the time to time in this regard. School management will also have to do their part so that social distancing take place, said a senior CBSE official. The HRD minister has already announced the JEE Main will be conducted from July 18 to 23rd and NEET from July 26. तो आपका JEE Main का जो एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है वो 18 जुलाई को होने वाला है. फ्रेंड एक मिनट. तो आप लोगों का JEE Main का जो एग्ज़ाम होने वाले हैं 18 जुलाई से 23 जुलाई के भीतर, और नीट का एग्ज़ाम 26 जुलाई. वी वांट टू गिव स्टूडेंट 10 days window before we commence the exam. It is unlikely that exam will happen in May, so the plan is to complete the process in the first half of July. he said. The engineering entrance examination JEE will be held on July 18 to 23rd, while the medical entrance test NEET will be conducted on 26 July. The minister had earlier announced the two crucial exams and also the class 10th and 12th exam were postponed due to lockdown imposed to combat the separate of COVID-19. तो फ्रेंड ये भी आपको जानकारी मिली, जेई मेंस का एग्जाम जो होने वाला है 18 से 23 जुलाई के बीच में होने वाला है और नीट का एग्जाम जो होने वाला है 26 जुलाई को होने वाला है। तो गाइज वीडियो पसंद है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर करें। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, टेक केयर, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। लव यू ऑल।